Hey folks, I ain't posted anything like this in a while, but it's getting to be that time. It's not my saw, belongs to a family member. Said they took it to the shop, had it fixed. Got it out to use it, it just ain't ran since, never ran. But I've thanked the culprit, Spark. But anyway, I'm gonna tear into it and see what we can find. It's a old Mac 3200. I'll cut you back on once I figure something out. Alright, I had this thing running. It lost ignition. Yeah, clean your saws, folks. This thing has never been cleaned, I don't think. Anyway, I'll cut you back on when I get this junk back together. Alright, we got our little Mac back together. I pulled it apart, cleaned all the dust and debris out of the flywheel and from around the coil. Wasn't anything rusted up, just old dirt and sawdust and oil. And I put new fuel lines on the saw and put everything back together. Cleaned the air filter. Start it up, show you how it sounds. I guess it'll do okay. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.